All right, guys. Hey, we're about to head over to my partner's Jason shop here. He actually wanted to show me. He has actually. I think you guys may have seen it in a previous video. It was I guess it's called a truck hauler. He does these truck hauling competitions and stuff, and we're supposed to be going to a car show tomorrow, and he's gonna take it. I guess he's gonna be doing some demonstrations and stuff. So he wanted me to come over, and actually I wanted to come over and see it when he get it started up for the first time in I guess a couple of weeks or whatever, because he said he hasn't really had it running, so he's actually motivated and getting it together and getting it running. I'm excited for him too, man. So we're about to head over there to Wallace Repair. That's the shop here in Bristol, Virginia, and we're gonna see what he's working with, and we're gonna let him tell us a little bit about it. My little camera stand is not acting right, guys, so I apologize about that. All right, I think that's a little better. So anyway, we're gonna go over here to Jason's, and he's gonna tell us a little bit about. I think he called it Lightning. That thing is it's a Ford truck. I'm not sure what year it is, but I'm sure it's pulling some horses though. But he said it's geared really low because it's not really built for speed. It's built for pulling. And so I think it's like he's put over 30-something thousand pounds, maybe more. I'm not sure. Don't get me the line. So anyway, I'm gonna turn you guys back on once we get to Jason's, and I'm gonna probably make this video for the next day. So whenever I turn this back on, we'll be at the car show, and I do cut you guys back on once we get over to Jason's, though, guys. So hey, thanks for hanging out. I'll catch you guys here in a minute.
That'd be a good video.
Oh, trust me. So in Richlands,
Over
Over
Saltburn.
in Saltville,
when they gonna do it?
October 10th.
If you can be there, I'll be there.
One shorter one.
Rich Valley.
Well, look at these stacks. This is a truck puller. So what's the most you ever pulled with this truck, Jason?
I've pulled 68,000, I think. So.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, it struggles with it. But mostly what we pull is 48,000 pounds.
So what type of motor is this?
It's it was originally a 429 Super Cobra Jet.
Super Cobra Jet?
Yeah, it's a factory 4-bolt main block. It does have the Super Cobra Jet head still on it. It's all been ported and everything. But it's 572 cubic inch. It's got a stroker kit, got a billet crank.
Look how clean this motor, this engine bay is.
It's the cat's pajamas.
So you got all those weights in the front so it won't
Yeah,
raise up?
And I have to put more on it. I'm gonna have to make a bar to put out on the front before its next pull. But I will tell you that my motor needs rebuilt.
So you painted all that stuff, didn't you? This recently,
Yeah.
you paint all that?
All around on it,
It looked good, man. You did a good job. It's clean in there. Little stacks. Now those exhausts are upside down, aren't they? I mean,
yeah,
that's cool.
it runs better that way because your exhaust is coming up anyway when the piston opens.
Yeah.
The piston comes up, the valve opens, so it's easier for it to escape upwards and then making a U-turn.
Gotcha.
This helps.
Is that a Holley carburetor?
Yeah, it's a Holley 1350 Dominator.
Oh, so is that's not a fuel injection one, is it?
No, but it's a Dominator.
We got Pablo in the video.
Yeah. Because I know,
Taking a video?
because I know they make because I know they make those Dominators in fuel injection too.
Yeah, I don't know how fuel injection would work.
Bad in there. Yeah. Look at these wheels on this mob. Jason just had this thing. Look at it. Those some good tires. Those look brand new tires on there.
Yeah, they ain't been run too many times.
Is that like for the dirt or sand? Is that what it's made for?
Yeah. Yeah. Pretty much made from the mud.
I mean, I tell you what, it's not much to it, is it? I mean, you got a battery back there. Is that a fuel tank? That's cool.
It's geared for pulling. It ain't geared for top speed.
Right. Let's look inside this one. He got the dash apart right now. I can't wait. Tomorrow I'm gonna make this video tomorrow as well, because we're gonna be at this car show, so I'm gonna get it when it's out in the sun as well. He got his dash apart right now.
Yeah, they just switched back.
He's getting it ready for tomorrow. You guys gonna be doing any demonstrations tomorrow?
Yeah, they're gonna have a rivet up contest.
Oh, really? Oh, that's gonna be cool. So what are you doing to it right now, Jason? Just replacing plugs?
This thing, it really, I like trying to put spark plugs in it.
Yeah.
A little fired up real quick here.
Uh-oh, we got the fire.
We getting ready to convert him.
Hey, I like them all, man.
Yeah, I do too. I'm the same way.
I like them all.
Let's set the hood on the ground there, dig that in.
Do I need some earplugs? Y'all lying. Look at Dennis over here. Dennis over here. Nah. I need what old earmuffs at, man? Dennis, what old earmuffs?
Hey. You don't want to be standing right there beside it. You really
I know.
want to be standing right there beside it.
You'll be good. You'll be good.
Everybody moving back except me.
It ain't gonna stop.
Alright guys, so we are finally here at the car show, and I think it's going to be a really good car show, guys. So there's a lot of nice cars. Before I get started, I just want to let you guys know I do not have copyright to this music here. Unfortunately, there's nothing I can do about this music at the car show, guys. So I apologize about that, and I hopefully I won't have to do a lot of music over it, okay? So I'm gonna do less talking and we're gonna get into this video. And if I haven't told you guys, I am back with another video, live and direct from Damascus, Virginia, guys. So anyway, let's go ahead. I got Blue Ash here with me today. Alright guys, so hey, I just want to also let you know, guys, I got a new buddy here, man. This is me and Micheal. We actually teaming up, guys. This is my buddy Micheal and stuff. He got a YouTube channel. Hey Mike, go ahead and give his YouTube channel a shout out.
AKA Micheal.
AKA Micheal, guys, and he does all kinds. He does gaming. He does like some woodworking. And actually today, Michael's gonna be doing some woodworking. He's actually gonna be selling some of his woodworking that he actually made. It's like chopping boards, right, Micheal? So tell me a little bit about the chopping boards, Mike.
About them?
Just give us a little quick detail about the chopping boards. The one that you actually made here today. It's all right. Micheal is a little shy and stuff, guys, but hey, I'm trying to get him out of that. No, trust me, it's okay. I was the same way when I first started, guys. But anyway, I'm gonna help him along with this. So basically, he did a YouTube video, him and his dad, as far as with these chopping boards. Now, one thing about these chopping boards is that they're exotic wood, correct, Micheal?
Some of them.
Some of them, not all of them?
Yeah, I don't think we made any with exotic wood. Well, we made one phone holder with exotic wood. But
Okay. So which one did you make that was, what type of wood was it?
Purple Heart.
Man, Purple Heart. So are you going to show that to us later on?
Yeah, we have it.
Okay.
I think we have it here.
Okay, so if you guys got it, I'm going to bring, you guys going to set up a little booth, right?
Mm-hmm.
So when he set up his booth, guys, we're going to get back with Micheal and we're going to check out his some of the exotic wood and some of the cutting boards that he did. And if you guys are interested in how he done it, go to his YouTube page, aka Micheal. Him and his dad are actually sanding the boards down. And I think when I looked at it, they was using mineral spirits. Then what was that mineral spirits for when you was putting
like
that?
showing like the real color of the wood and like just to like
Made to preserve the wood, keep food.
Yeah.
food from soaking down in the boards.
Okay, so basically use that mineral spirits to basically seal that board so food and everything will not get into the boards, and that's basically how you guys cure it, right? All right, cool. Well, hey, I appreciate you, Mike, man. Appreciate you spending some time with me. And actually, guys, Michael actually gave me a big shout out on his channel. And hey, you know, you can always learn from everybody and anybody, guys. So he's helping me out, guys, and hey, I'm gonna try my best to help him out. It's all in fun, man. We're having an awesome time doing stuff, and I encouraging him. I'm trying to mentor him and stuff, and hey, we're gonna do it together and have a great time. So anyway, guys, let's go ahead and start looking at these awesome cars, guys, and I'll get back with you guys in a second. All right, guys, we're about to go over here and check out Micheal, aka Michael. That's his YouTube channel, and these are the boards that he actually made. So let's go over here and see what he got over here. So these are the boards that was on the channel over there. Where's the one that you had with the handle that you made with them? Is that over here?
Yeah.
All right, so this is the one that he actually made on his channel, guys. Right there. Once we get over here. Yeah, I didn't want to. That's the one you guys actually did on the channel. And stuff. Me and your dad made. That's the one I'm gonna get there. So actually, Michael made this on the channel and stuff with Michael, guys. So this is the one that he actually did. Anything you want to tell me about that board, Michael?
Well, we were originally thinking about it having it like this, and then we got a few machines the other day to like do more woodwork and stuff, so we just decided to put a handle on it, so it'd be easier.
Basically, yeah, you can hang it up too, right?
Yeah, you can hang it up too.
Cool. All right, well, I'm gonna take that one, man. I appreciate it. Hey guys, I want to thank Michael for letting me record him today and stuff, guys, and we're gonna put this on the channel and stuff. So big thumbs up to Michael. He did a good job with those boards and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one. Hey, if you guys are interested in the board as well, contact him on his YouTube channel. Go to his channel, aka Michael, and don't forget, guys, to subscribe and like his channel as well. So like I tell everybody, guys, if you got a fast car truck, smoke him if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.